A few months ago, I got a phone call from somebody that I didn't know, and he said, "Jason, I got your flyer, and I need help selling my house." And I was thinking about flyer. When I think of a flyer, I think of a full size sheet of paper type flyer. I said, I haven't been handing out flyers or doing anything with flyers, and so just kept asking some questions. And basically, what had happened, he had received my quantum postcard 2 years ago and held on to it and said, "I'd like the card when I got it. It looked nice." And I thought, well, if someday I ever want to sell my house, I may need to call this person. So I met with him, and after talking with him, it was clear to me that the best thing for him was actually to lease his house for a couple of years and then sell it, because he had some other plans, and that was best for him. So it's leased right now, and we have a good connection and a good relationship. And at some point, I'll help him sell that house as well. So the tip of the week is to take advantage of this open house bonus with these quantum cards. They are so powerful. I see in conversations with newer agents sometimes maybe get a little discouraged by a slow open house, and it's super important to know that everything is intertwined in real estate with your business. Business can show up from anywhere at any time. I've done an open house where I had a lady come in and she wanted to see a house on the other side of town. I showed it to her and she bought that house all on that same day. I mean, obviously that's a wonderful result that we want on an open house, but then I've gone weeks where nobody came in, but I also I used the quantum credits. I sent out the postcards, and who knew? 2 years later, this guy called me and there's multiple pieces of business. So not doing the open houses now shuts off business that could be next week. It shuts off business that could be coming to you in 2 years. So tip of the week, again, take advantage of this so that business will continue on. You're planting seeds for business now and for the next few years. I mean, it's easy. It's free money. It's Joe Eccles has done 4 open houses, and that's $360 worth of free marketing. That's fantastic. So he's getting the marketing. He's getting the $360 worth of free credit, and every weekend he's still out there doing his job and meeting people and seeing properties, seeing neighborhoods. You're having to look at comps and research that listing. You get so much out of it. So just do it.